Welcome back, everybody. Monty. Week 9, November 9th to the 14th, and here we are. It's Tuesday the 10th, and I want to make sure that we can make conjectures after we draw diagonals in all of these quadrilaterals. All that vocabulary we're going to start to use. So this week, it's all about four-sided objects, okay? A kite, a rhombus, the diamond, the parallelogram, okay? One of the things that I've neglected to focus on for vocabulary is the word isosceles, okay? So everybody pause the video and write out the word isosceles. Spell a little different, I-S-O-C-E-L-E-S. An isosceles object has two equal sides. And this week, when we draw the trapezoid, we want the sides to be equal. So let's just start right there. The isosceles trapezoid. When we draw the diagonals, I want you to make a conjecture, a prediction. Is this angle of that triangle equal to anything? How about this angle? Is it equal to anything? This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Can we make any predictions about this triangle and the other triangle? Are they the same? Top, bottom, left, right? How about left, right? How about those two pieces there? Could we make a prediction? All right. So, one thing to think about every time you draw the diagonals is the idea of perpendicular. Do those meet in a perpendicular? We know that the plus sign is perpendicular. So on a kite and on the diamond, we know that they are perpendicular. That's one of the predictions I want you to make this week, okay? We have diagonals. What do we know about these angles, okay? Another thing to think about. Is this piece equal to this piece? This piece equal to this piece? On a kite, definitely not equal. Most likely equal. Let's draw the diagonals on a parallelogram. Can we make predictions on a parallelogram? All these angles. Are there things we know and don't know? And again, do we know anything about how those meet? Is this equal to this? Is this equal to this? All the things that we could discuss when it comes to diagonals. Now, I always start with the square because we're good at it. Think of when you walked into this class 9 weeks ago, you knew all about a square. 4 equal sides, hash mark, hash mark, hash mark, hash mark. 4 90-degree angles, boom, 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 boom. I added the word perpendicular, right angle. Okay, now, parallel, parallel. If I draw the diagonals in a square, would you be willing to predict? Would you be able to make a conjecture that those are perpendicular and they are 90 degrees? Okay? Is it fair to say that if a diamond is at 90 degrees and a kite is at 90 degrees and a square is at 90 degrees, is a square a diamond? Is a square a kite. Those are the types of things that we're going to study this week. And it's all about conjectures. It's all about your knowledge, adding the word diagonal, asking some questions so that we can work ourselves into triangles. Okay? So, let's take a rectangle. Let's draw the diagonal. Okay? Use paper. Use paper towels, right? Find something visual. Actually, 2 pieces of toilet paper, right? Draw the diagonal. Create the triangle. Create that triangle. Which angles are equal to which angles? Okay, what can you say? And then, let's make the other diagonal. What can you say about the other diagonal and what it creates? Again, it's always easier to start with a square, okay, and to visually see that when we draw that diagonal, what can we say about all the pieces we create? All right? So, you know the vocabulary, you know the shapes. Let's spend the rest of today drawing diagonals and begin to make predictions, educated guesses, opinions based on your knowledge. And the formal term is called a conjecture. Try the solo activity, and I'll see you on Thursday. Veterans Week. No school Wednesday, so I'm only going to see you Tuesday, today, and Friday. See you on Friday.